Well, today's barn find is a little bit different. Probably once in a lifetime chance to own a unique piece like this. 1994 Nissan pickup hard body. One Oregon owner since new. XE model with 12,850 miles. Yes, you heard that correct. 12,850 miles. 1994 Nissan hard body, 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder with a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a museum piece. 100% all original truck. Original striping, original paint. Everything is original on this truck, 100% in excellent condition. This truck belongs in the Museum of Nissan. This truck shows like brand new, inside and out. Never been any accidents, never been smoked in, never had any kind of damage whatsoever. It's been stored indoors all of its life. This is a single cab, 5-speed manual, 4-cylinder, XE with a convenience package, chrome bumpers package, and AC. It's got the chrome mirrors, chrome handles, chrome bumpers, chrome grille, chrome wheels. It has air conditioning, power mirrors, power steering. This truck is like brand new. Smells brand new. Looks brand new. Drives like brand new. The truck even came with the original factory tires from Nissan. We just replaced the tires with brand new 31-inch BF Goodrich KO2s, and we preserved the original tires that came on the truck since new. So when I said collector quality, it's 100% collector quality. These are the original tires that came on the truck from Nissan. General Grappler APs, I believe. There's no dents, there's no scratches. There's a minor little ding right here. That is about it. The truck is just unbelievable. I've had it here in the showroom for the last couple days, talking myself into posting it because I really would like to keep it, and I might end up doing that. Every stamping, every bolt of the truck, it's just like brand new. It's never seen dirt. It's never been driven in mud, nor rain. It's just unbelievable. This is the Undercarriage. The truck has been completely gone through. It's got new fluids. There's not a drip of oil. The gentleman made sure to start up and drive it around the block every month. Got it on the freeway, took it down for an exit, and turned around and came back. He made sure to get it heated and then stored back away with a car cover on it. We open the engine bay to show here. So there's no bad seals, there's no bad gaskets, there's no issues at all. Fresh fluids, brake fluid, coolant. There's not a drip of oil, there's not a drip of corrosion, there's not a scuff, there's no bad hoses. It's been preserved 100% the correct way, and the truck shows it. This is such a cool truck and a cool piece to just add to a collection, to drive on the weekends, or to just drive every day. whatever you'd like. The truck comes with both original keys, both keys for the gas cap, original window sticker, all the original books, manuals, and original Nissan service manuals. The striping is like brand new. There's no fade, there's no peel. Same goes with the paint. Like I said, the interior is brand spanking new. There's no scuffs, there's no issues at all. It's just insane. It's finds like this just make me love the car business and the hunt more and more. It took me a minute to figure out what this interlock is. So as we know on the Toyotas, you got the clutch cancel start. So if you want to start it without using the clutch, well, same goes for this. That's what that is. So now you click it over and it starts right up. You got 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual, factory stereo, never been smoked in. If you can afford it, this would be a great gift to give to your kid, your son, as the college present or graduation present, or just for yourself. I would drive this thing and I would go anywhere with it and I would feel so good. Headliner is like brand new. There's no sagging, there's no scuffs, there's no issues. Literally, I am not exaggerating when I say the truck is like brand spanking new. Let me do the release here. There's the jack. It's never been used. I ran this truck through my service department. There's nothing that can be done on it. The gentleman just had all the fluids replaced a few months ago. And whether it's the coolant or the filters, everything is up to par. It's got a new driving belt. There's not a drip of any leaks whatsoever. Look at the suspension bolts. AC blows super cold. Let's turn the lights on. I can talk and talk for days about this thing, but it's literally self-explanatory. 12,800 miles. Bedliner since new. Factory Nissan bedliner. The bed has never been used. It's just dirt and the dust. Original tires. All the lights. Let's see the lights on. Let me turn the hazards and let's turn the AC. Let it cool for you. We'll check out the temperatures. This is your chance to own a hard body Nissan that is literally basically brand new 20 years later, and having probably the pride to say that you own the lowest mileage Nissan hardbody in the world. I can almost guarantee it. Alright, brought my air conditioning tester. Another ground 72. And we go in here. As you see the temperature dropping. Let me adjust here. So AC is blowing super cold. one finger test. You literally, I'm sitting in a brand new Nissan hardbody pickup. Here's the mirrors. Left, right, up, and down. Let me reach over to this side. Let's zoom in. Bear with me here. Right, left, up, down. Okay, it's getting cold. Let's turn the AC off. Let's zoom back out. Turn the hazards off. Nice simple stereo with just 2 speakers in the doors. Rear slider. And that's locked. There's the light. So yes. Now the good news. I can finance this truck just as if you were buying a new truck. So up to 84 months. Standard credit union financing. So if you're adding it to the collection, if you're just adding it as a fun driver, you don't have to take the big expense or freeze all your cash into it. You can pay cash or you can finance it up to 84 months. Doesn't mean you have to do 84 months. You can do 60 months, 48, 72, or you can just pay cash. If you got the money, why not? Second, I can ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. I ship all my trucks all over the country every day. I deal with preferred shippers, and we can ship it anywhere in the country. Whether you live in Alaska, whether you live in Hawaii, Florida, New York, South Dakota, North Dakota, South Carolina, Arizona, California, Seattle, or Canada. I can help you and assist you make this a seamless transaction and ship it right to your front door. Check out 95 detailed pictures on my website at jordanmotorsports.com. Give me a call. Please don't comment on YouTube. We don't check YouTube. We just use it as a tool to upload the video to our website. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a Nissan hardbody 5-speed manual, 4-wheel drive with 12,800 original miles. Completely serviced, stored indoors all its life, ready for a new home. jordanmotorsports.com